Let's do a quick review. In this chapter, we changed the order of fields on our guide page in order to put the image towards the top, which was the first step in getting our image to the right of all the content. We then used Firebug to find a good selector for our image so we could apply CSS just particularly to our image. We then reviewed and manipulated CSS in Firebug in order to experiment, to figure out what properties we needed to change for our image. We then added some test content to Firebug in order to test the wrapping around of content around the image. Finally, we used the CSS injector module to add CSS to our guide pages conditionally based on the path. If you're looking for a challenge, here's a few things you could do. First of all, use the methods that we've been using in the previous few chapters to add an image to the home page that matches the mockups, which means that we'll need an image field, we'll need some CSS being applied, and I'll leave the rest up to you. Next, use CSS to remove that line in the footer, as well as the extra padding down there. Finally, you can use CSS to float the labels on the contact forms to the left, so instead of the labels appearing above the inputs, they appear in line with the inputs, which will add some extra space to that page. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.